Welcome to day 11 of the Self-Love Meditation Challenge. Allow yourself a few minutes to simply arrive and be here in this moment. Take few deep cleansing breaths in and few relaxing breaths out. Imagine this breath being the purifying force that cleanses you, your soul, your spirit, and your mind. Self-love is the deep connection with the essence of who you are. Today, you'll practice self-love affirmations. We know that words have extreme power. Thoughts have even bigger power, and repeating these affirmations as often as possible will allow you to build that deep, long-lasting, transformational connection with yourself. Whenever you settle in, let's begin. You can choose to repeat these affirmations in your mind or out loud. It is up to you. I love and accept myself. I appreciate and acknowledge all of me. I surrender to my feelings. I express my truth with love. I let go. I radiate joy. I live my passion. My heart is my home. I set myself free. I honor my divinity. The power is within me. I let my inner beauty shine. I respect myself. I love myself with all my flaws and imperfections. I love myself with all my successes and compassion. I love myself with all my passions and my dreams. I love myself with all my gifts and talents. I love myself the way I am. I reveal my true self. I am safe in my body. I listen to my inner guide. I am full of grace. I am growing and evolving every day. I honor myself and every decision I make. I love myself unconditionally. I love myself and I am worthy of being loved. I was created for a purpose. I add value to the world. I enjoy my own company. I am beautiful on the inside and outside. I love myself just the way I am. I am one of a kind. I give and receive love freely. I am the one. I am love. As you slowly come back to the room, allow the meaning of these words settle in your body. Take these affirmations with you through the day and trust your heart and your mind that it will connect to the right affirmation in the right moment. You are all the things you just whispered.